Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Travis Chow. I'm going to do an unboxing today. The Apple pencil. Okay, Apple pencil. It's right here. This is my second Apple unboxing. The first time I did it wasn't too good. I cut my head off. Okay, so basically, I only ordered 2 items this time. The Apple pencil right there and the Apple pencil tips. 2 items. Okay, only. And the pack of this. That's it. Small box. Apple pencil. Okay. Now this one is the second generation. So how it goes. Brand new. I suppose to bought the refurbished one, but I think they redid the packaging. Look. Okay. Very nice. Have this plastic clip here, sleeve here, so you can pull it out easily. Like that. Really cool. Designed by Apple in California. Made in China, of course. There's a lot of documentation. Nobody's gonna read this stuff. I didn't get the engraving. Okay, so there's an option for free engraving, but I didn't choose to do that. Let's care about what's in this. It's much lighter than I thought. Much lighter. Like that. So let me pair it up with my iPad Air. Okay. So they have this flat area so you don't slide around. But hopefully it should pair magnet easily. Hopefully you can see that. Boom. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Okay, click now, scribble. So it's actually pair ready. 100% charge nearly. Okay, so let me scribble it onto my. So scribble a little bit. Continue. Try only a few words. Okay. Subscribe. No. Replay. Yeah. Subscribe. Got it. Okay. Continue. Load up a tab. Between the two using the eraser. Okay, done. Let me open something that I plan to use this for, okay, which is Procreate. Okay, let me open a new document. Swear, anything will do. Let's try to, let's see. I haven't used this because I was using my pen. Lately I was using my pen to do all the drawing. But now, I have the pen, gotta learn how to use it properly now. I used to use the monoline. I still haven't experienced all the brush yet. I still feel the same as my finger. No good there. That's my handwriting, not very pretty. Okay, basically it's paired up straight away, plug and play, pretty much. Boom, like that. Charging at the same time. So yeah, so that's the unboxing, okay, of the Apple Pen. Let me move that out of the way. Now the Apple tip. I've got 4 tips, that's it. Unboxing, 4 tips. Not much happening. So I have to replace this. It's really tough to get out. Hey, got it. No, I haven't. It's really tough. It's really small. That's supposed to replace the tip once it's done. So I plan to use this a lot, so it just as a spare when I need to. So every 3 months I really have to replace it. Alright, just put it back. I don't want to lose it. Very delicate stuff. Yeah, that's it. Apple Pencil, refurbished, but they package it just like brand new. Pair like that, works fine. Now the trick is gotta learn how to use it, and that's gonna take a long time to get used to the scribble. Okay. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, so that's my intention to use this with Procreate, a painting Photoshop replacement app.